Hello everyone. Last class we had completed relation. Today we will start function. So, already you know the definition of function, domain, codomain and range of function, algebraic operations of function in first year. And in second year course we will study and discuss one function, many one function, onto function, into function, bijective function. These are the different type of functions we will discuss. And also we will discuss even and odd functions, composition of functions, inverse function. So, what is a function? Function is nothing but a relation from x to y in which every element of set x is related to a unique element of y. That means, function is nothing but a relation with two conditions, that is every element of x is related and the function should not be one many relation. That means, function may be one relation, may be many one relation with every element of set, every element of x is related, and the notation of the function is defined as f is a function from x to y defined by f x is equal to y. In relation notation we write as f x is equal to y or x f y or x y belongs to f. Now, you see the pictorial representation. There are various pictures in your screen. First case, you see that is a one many relation, because number element 8 is related to more than one element. So, that is a one many relation. One many relation will never be functions. And in second case, you see the function in domain set x. Already you know what is domain. Left hand side set is known as the domain set. Element 8 is not related, although it is a one relation, but since domain set x has there is a element 8 is not related. So, that is not a function, that is only one relation. Now, you see again there is another picture appearing in your screen. There is an element 7 that is not related in the domain set x. Of course, that is only many one relation, but that is not a function. And in last picture you see that is a many one relation and every element of the domain set x is related. So, there is some one element y is not related, but that is least concern. We will list that is least concern for us. We have to see for two conditions. First, every element of the domain set must be related and function should not be one. So, last case is an example of function. Now, domain, codomain and range. If it is a function from x to y such that f x is equal to y. So, domain of f already I have told you the left hand side set, that is x, and codomain is right hand side set y. So, what is range? Range is the element of the codomain which participates in the relation, that is f x, x belongs to x, or simply f of capital X. Range is always subset of codomain and its notation is R f, range of whatever you write. Now, domain and codomain may be any type of subset of R, but we generally deal with real functions. Now, this is an example that is a function from x to y, and in the domain set there are 4 elements 1, -1, 2, 3, and in the codomain 1, 4, 9, 15. F is a function. Now, we use your blackboard in this case. Now, you see x is equal to 1, -1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 4, 9, 15. So, function is 1, 1, -1, 2, 4, 3, 9. That means 1 goes to 1, -1 to 1, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 9. This is nothing. So, this is nothing but here x and here x square, x goes to x square. Now, x and y are two finite sets and very small sets. Now, instead of small sets, suppose if you take function from R to R, then so there are also many real numbers. 0 can go to 0 because square of 0 is 0. So, here you have 0 0, and also if here root 2, then there will be 2 because square of root 2 is 2. So, there will be infinite set of order pairs in this case if the function is from x to y. So, in that case we use formula to write the function. So, what is that? Now, this is we can write in set builder from x such that x belongs to R, or we can write x y such that y is equal to x square, y belongs to R, or simply we can write f x is equals to y is equal to x square, where f is a function from R to R. So, in case of large domain we use formula to represent the function. Now, you see also the figure. So, there are images and pre-images. Images are the elements of the codomain which participates in the relation, that means that is range set, and pre-images are nothing but the codomain set. Now, you see just we are discussed in the blackboard, f is a function from R to R defined by f x is equal to x square, that is an example in which we have used formula, and in general the notation of the function is given by f is a function from x to y such that f x is equals to y. So, in case of large domain we represent the function by formula, or that is the general notation of writing function. Now, algebraic operations on function, that means addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, that means f plus g, f minus g, product of functions and division of functions. So, f plus g x is equal to f x plus g x, similarly for f minus g, and f dot g x is equal to f x into g x, and f by g x is equal to f x by g x. But there is one condition, that if domain of the function is domain of the function f is a and domain of the function g is b, then domain of f plus g, f minus g, f g and f by g should be intersection of a intersection b. But that is, and there is one extra condition for function division f by g x, that is equal to f x by g x, g x should not be equal to 0 because division by 0 is meaningless. And last, equality of functions. When two functions are equal, f and g are equal when three conditions are satisfied. Domain of f is equal to domain of g, codomain of f is equal to codomain of g, f x is equal to g x. So, only when formula will be equal, function will not be equal. Domain and codomain must be equal. Next, different types of function. You know a relation is either 1 1 or many 1. Similarly, a function is either 1 1 or many 1, and a function is either onto or into. You see, there is, by definition of function, there is a restriction that every element of the domain must be related, but there is no restriction on the codomain set. So, all elements of codomain may not be related. There may be some elements left in the codomain set. If some element left in the codomain set, that is into function. If all the elements of the codomain are related, that is onto function. So, a function is either 1 1 or many 1, and a function is either onto or into. Now, if we combine these two, then we have 4 possibilities. A function is 4 types, 1 1 and onto, that is bijective. 1 1 function is also known as surjective, onto function is also known as 1 1 function is known as injective, onto function is surjective. So, 1 1 onto is bijective, and other 3 functions are 1 1 and into, many 1 and onto, many 1 and into. But the first one is important one, that is bijective function. In that case, f inverse exists, but in other cases f inverse does not exist, because what happens in inverse function, set change their position, left set right set exchange their position. So, in other cases there will be only relation, there will not be function. Next, different types of function, and we start with one function. So, one functions are two types, either it is onto or into. You see the picture, if all the elements, what is one function? One element, it is same as one relation, but with function condition. So, one function can be onto or can be into. If all the function elements of codomain are related, then it is onto. If there is some element left in the codomain set, that is into. You see here there in your screen number 9 is not related. So, that is into function. So, one function is onto, and one function may be one onto or one into. Now, mathematically how we will test a function is 1. So, we take f x 1 is equal to f x 2, and if x 1 is equal to x 2, then the function is 1 function. Now, so 1 function is that we take f x 1 is equals to f x 2. So, f x 1 is equal to f x 2 should imply x 1 is equals to x 2. Now, suppose here x 1 x 2 and here f x 1, here f x 2. x 1 x 2. Now, x 1 goes to f x 1, x 2 goes to f x 2. Now, suppose if f x 1 is equal to f x 2, then in that case if x 1 not equal to x 2, then the function will not be 1, that will be many 1. So, f x 1, so when a function is 1, if f x 1 is equal to f x 2, then we will show x 1 is equal to x 2. So, what is its equivalent statement? Either we take f x 1 is equal to f x 2, then we will prove x 1 is equal to x 2, or this is p, this is q. Negation of q implies negation p. We take x 1 not equal to x 2 and we will prove f x 1 is not equal to f x 2. So, for 1 test, what we will do? We take f x 1 is equal to f x 2 and we will prove that x 1 is equal to x 2, or we will take x 1 not equal to x 2, we will prove that f x 1 not equal to f x 2. Next is many 1 function. Many 1 function is nothing but simply you can remember it is not 1. It is also, it can be onto, it can be into. It is in the picture. If all elements of the codomain related, it is onto. If it is not related, then it is into. Next is onto function or surjective function. Now, already we have discussed that a function is onto if all elements are in the codomain are related. Now, onto function can also be 1, can also be many 1. You see the picture. So, in both case it is onto, but first case it is 1, in second case it is onto. So, when a function is onto, if every element of y, there is an element in set x such that f x is equal to y, or in case of onto function, range is equal to codomain, that is f x is equals to y. Next is into function. A function is not into, simply you remember that when it is not onto. A function is many 1 when it is not 1, a function is into when it is not onto. That means there are some element in the codomain which are not related. Here you see in the picture there is an element 6 in both cases which is not related. So, into function means there are some element in the codomain which are not related. Again, into functions are also two types, it may be 1, it may be many 1. Next, we will discuss bijective function. So, bijective function is nothing but which is 1 and onto. So, what is a bijective function? A function which is both 1 1 and on 2 is known as bijective. You see the screen, there is an example of bijective function. F is a function from x to y. In the domain set there are elements 2, 5, 4, 8, and in the codomain set there are 4, 25, 16 and 64. Here actually 2 goes to 4, 5 goes to 25, 2 square is equal to 4, 5 square is equal to 25, 4 square is equal to 16. The function is nothing but it is defined in mathematically. F is a function from x to y such that f x is equal to x square. Now, this is a bijective function. As I have already told you, this is the most important type of functions. Inverse exist. In the picture you see inverse function is also written f inverse y to x such that f inverse y is equals to root over of y. We will discuss about inverse function later. So, what square root of 4 is 2, positive square root. Similarly, positive square root of 25 is 5. We will discuss about inverse function later. So, you see the note f inverse exists and also bijective function, not only inverse exists, it is also bijective. Now, another second point, you see the second point, when there is a bijective mapping between two functions, mapping or function between two sets, we say the two sets there is one-to-one correspondence between the sets. For example, you can take set of husband, set of wives in Hindu society in general. So, there is one-to-one correspondence between husband and wife. Also, we say when there is a bijective mapping between the two sets, we say these sets are similar or equivalent or equipotent or equipotent. So, what we have to for equivalence, we have to find a bijective mapping between the two sets. Now, you see the definition of equivalent sets. Two sets are equivalent if there exists a bijective mapping between them, or if we can able to, if we can show both sets are equivalent with set of natural number, then also both sets are equivalent. Below there is an example, set A square of natural number, set B set of even natural number, set C set of odd natural number. All they are equivalent because they are equivalent with natural number. So, let us use blackboard for this. Now, so n is natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, and we have to show these three sets are equivalent. So, we can have a mapping f x is equal to x square, because 1 goes to 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So, we can have a mapping f n to a, where n is set of natural number, a is nothing but 149, and this is a bijective mapping. That means, it is 1 1 and on 2. We can test it 1 1. What is the test for 1 1? f x 1 is equal to f x 2. We take f x 1 is equal to f x 2 and we will show that it should be x 1 is equal to x 2. So, what is f of x? It is x square. F of x 1 will be x 1 square, f of x 2 will be x 2 square, then x 1 is equal to x 2. Here there will be no negative sign because both sets are positive, n positive, a is also positive. So, the function is 1 1 and it is also on 2 because for x square we will get x. Suppose y is equal to x square, we will get root y. For 4 we will get 2, for 6 we will get root 6. Here there is no root 6, for 9 here 3 because squares of natural number. So, this is a bijective function. So, these sets a and n are equivalent. Similarly, we can have mapping between n to b, set of even natural numbers such that f x is equals to 2x. So, this is also a bijective mapping. So, the set n and b are equivalent, natural number set and set b are also equivalent. Also, last set C, the set of odd natural numbers such that f x is equals to 2x plus 1, it is also bijective. So, 3 sets A, B, C are equivalent with n. So, A, B, C all are equivalent because they are equivalent with 1 with natural number set. So, what we have discussed, this is actually specially for infinite sets. You see, there are two possibilities. Two sets may be finite. In case of finite, there is no need for testing, for searching a bijective function. Only we can find the cardinality. And if one set is finite, other set is infinite, then they will never be equal. And for two infinite sets, we have to find a bijective mapping. Next, testing. So, we have discussed a function can be of different types. It may be 1 1, it may be many 1, it may be onto, it may be into, and equivalence when two sets are equivalent, when there is a bijective mapping between them. Next, so we have to test for functions for bijective, that is for 1 1 and onto. So, bijective of a function depends on three things. First of all, what is its domain, what is its codomain, next function, formula of the function. So, depending on three, the function can be bijective or not. You see, example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, in each case formula of the function is same. So, what is the difference there? In example 1, that is function is from R to R, f x is equal to x square. In example 2, function is from R to R plus set of real number to set of positive real numbers. And in example 3, it is from positive real number to R with same function. And in example 4, it is set of positive real number to set of positive real number. So, we first see example 1. In example 1, f is a function from R to R such that f x is equal to x square. You see the picture. So, 3 square is 9, minus 3 square is also 9. So, this is cannot be 1 1, this is many 1. So, this is a many 1 function, that means not 1 1. Also, this is not onto, because if function is from real number to real number. So, there are negative elements in codomain set which are not related. So, the function is also not onto, or you can say minus 3 do not have pre-image. So, as you see also in example 2, function formula remains same, it is R to R plus. Here codomain is changed from R to R plus. So, that again 3 minus 3 maps to goes to 9, because square of 3 is 9, minus 3 square is 9. Because here here the function is onto and we will prove it. Here the function is onto and we will prove it, but for proving onto and into, onto and 1 1, we have to follow the procedure, but for showing many 1 and into, we just need example. So, we discussed example 1 and example 2, and next class we will discuss example 3 and example 4. So, what we had discussed today? We discussed definition of function, domain, codomain, range of the function. We discussed different type of function, 1 1 function, onto 1 1 function, many 1 function, onto function and into function. In next class, and also we discuss some example in next class, we will continue with the example. Thank you. Hello everyone. Last class we have already started function, definition of function, and we had also discussed different types of function, that is 1 1 function, many 1 function, onto function and into function. And most important function we had also discussed bijective function, that means function which both 1 1 and onto. Bijective means onto function is known as surjective and into function is injective. If both 1 1 and onto, then it is bijective. We had taken 4 examples, similar examples Why it is similar? Functional formula remains same, only change in domain and codomain. And in example 1, example 2 we have already discussed. F is a function from real number to real number such that f x is equal to x square, and that is not 1 1 because 3 and minus 3 square is 9. So, this is not 1 1, and it is also not 2 because negative real numbers do not have any pre-image in R. And example 2 also we had discussed, it is f r to r plus set of real numbers to function is f is from real number to set of positive real numbers. Now, this is not 1 1 because again 3 minus 3 goes to 9, but there are since no negative real numbers in R plus. So, the function is onto. We will discuss it later how it is onto. Now, you see example 3. So, what is the difference between of example 3 from example 1 and 2? In example 1 the domain was the R, the function was from R to R. In example 2 it is R to R plus, and in example 3 it is R plus to R, set of positive real numbers to real number. You see 3 2. So, since there are no negative real numbers, only positive real numbers, square of 3 is 9, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, and square of root 2 is 2. So, it is 1 1. We will prove it later, and it is not onto because since the codomain set is R, there are negative real numbers which are not related. That means they do not have any pre-image. So, this function is 1 1, but not onto. And see the last example 4, here the function is same, functional formula is same, f x is equal to x square, but the domain and codomain are set of positive real numbers. In this case the function is both 1 1 and onto. In picture all elements are not written because R and R plus are infinite sets, only few elements are written. So, this is both 1 1 and onto, but we have to prove this. You see, when we are showing a function is many 1 or into, you just need one example, but for showing a function is 1 1 onto, you have to prove this. For 1 1 we have to take f x 1 is equal to f x 2, and you will show x 1 is equal to x 2, or else you will take x 1 not equal to x 2 and you will show f x 1 not equal to f x 2. For onto, you have to take, if f is a function from x to y, you have to take any element of y and such that you will get an element small x belongs to capital X, such that f x is equal to y. Now, this is the last example which is our continuing, f r plus to r plus such that f x is equal to x square. R plus means set of positive real numbers, we have already discussed. So, this function is 1 1 and also onto. In the last slide we have already discussed, but for 1 1 we have to prove here. Example is not sufficient, example is just the verification. So, for 1 1 what we will take? We will take f x 1 is equal to f x 2. That means x 1, what is f x? F x is equal to x square. So, f x 1 will be x 1 square, f x 2 will be x 2 square. So, x 1 square will be x 2 square. So, and that implies x 1 is equal to plus minus x 2, and there will be no minus sign. This example we have already discussed in blackboard, and this has been discussed with different domain. In that case the domain was natural number, here the domain is set of positive real numbers, and here there is also x 1 plus minus x 2, but there will be no minus. If the domain is R, then there will be minus sign, the function will not be 1 1, but since the domain is R plus here, there will be no minus sign. So, x 1 is equal to x 2, so function is 1 1. Next is onto set, onto test. So, function is onto test means we have to choose any element from set y. If when a function is onto, if a function x to y is onto, that means we have to choose any element from y and we have to find an element in x such that f x is equal to y, or in other words we have already discussed any element of codomain should have a pre-image in domain. Now, here domain and codomain are both are same, are set of positive real numbers, and in domain we have x and in codomain there is x square. That means, here. So, we have to choose, suppose an element, let y is equal to y belongs to R plus. We have to find one x belongs to R plus, since both domain and codomain are same. So, we have to find one x belongs to R plus, so that f x is equal to y. You see the picture in the screen. Suppose let y is equal to x square, then in R plus in codomain, and in domain the figure is in reverse case, we are getting root y. So, what is the root y? And root y is nothing but x. That means, for x square we are getting x. For 25 we will get 5, we will not get minus 5, because here function is from set of positive real numbers to set of positive real numbers. So, there is no negative real numbers in any case. So, for y is equal to x square in R plus, there is an element x is equal to root y belongs to in same R plus, because domain and codomain are same, so that f x is equal to y. So, the function is on 2. So, we have already discussed when we had discussed equivalent sets. So, the function is both 1 1 and on 2, and this is a bijective function. Now, you see in example 1, the function was from R to R, and example 2 the function is from R to R plus, and example 3 it is R plus to R, and in example 4 it is R plus to R plus. In all the cases functional formula remains same, but domain codomain are different. So, if domain codomain are different, then function type of function also changes. It may be 1 1, it may not be 1 1, it may be on 2, it may not be on 2. So, a function when we are testing bijective, so we have to concentrate on what is the domain, what is the codomain, what is the formula of the function. So, you see the note there, here initially the function is from R to R, the function was not 1 1 and also not on 2, but here what we had done, we are restricted domain into codomain. That means, we are restricted R to set of real numbers to set of positive real numbers, domain is restricted, also codomain is restricted, set of real numbers to set of positive real numbers. So, what happens? So, after restriction the function becomes 1 1 and on 2. So, a function is bijective only when 1 and on 2, and if it is not 1 and on 2, we can make it bijective by restricting the domain and codomain. So, this is we will again continue some example, but not now. Next, there are some examples of 1 1, many 1, on 2 and into functions. We will discuss one by one. The greatest integer function f r to r such that f x is equal to bracket x. It is also known as bracket function. Second is modulus function f r to r such that f x is equal to mod x. Mod x, what is mod x? Mod x may be x or minus x. And third one is signum function. F is a function from R to R such that f x is equal to 1 when x greater than 0, it is 0, if x equal to 0, it is minus 1, if x less than 0. And the fourth is trigonometry, 6 trigonometry functions with natural domains. Natural domains means we have taken the domain is R, and the fifth one is constant function, that is, and sixth one is identity function. We will discuss one by one in blackboard. The greatest integer function, the modulus function, signum function and trigonometry functions, constant functions are neither 1 1 nor on 2. That means, it is they are many 1 and into, and the last function identity function, that is a bijective function, which will be discussed again and again when we will discuss function composition and function inverse in next class. So, we discuss one by one in blackboard. So, what is greatest integer function? So, what is the greatest or bracket function? Bracket value of 3.5 is 3, bracket value of 3.5 is 3, bracket value of 3.1 is also 3. So, 3.9 is also 3. So, this is a many one function. For many one function, one example is enough, many one and into function. Now, also, so suppose 2.5, it goes to 2. So, it is many one function 2 also 2.1 also goes to 2. So, bracket function is many one function. Also it is not onto because for fractional, because there are fractional numbers which are not related. So, the greatest function integer function or the bracket function is neither 1 1 nor onto. Next is modulus function. So, what is modulus function? F x is equals to mod x, it can be x or minus x. So, 2 goes to 2 also minus 2 related to 2. So, this is again a many one function, and also but the negative real numbers do not have any pre-image. So, modulus function is again neither 1 1 nor onto, and the third one is signum function. So, signum function is, what is signum function? When f is function from R to R. So, f x is equal to 1 when x is greater than 0, f x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, and f x is equal to minus 1 when x less than 0. That means, function will be 1, 0 or minus 1. So, it is 1, 0 or minus 1. When x is positive, that means for 2, 3, 4 they goes to 1, and 0 goes to 1 for negative real numbers, they goes to 1. So, this is obviously, so signum function is obviously a many one function, and therefore, in the codomain there are other elements also 5 to root 2. So, they are not related. So, signum function is also not onto. So, next is trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions, there are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. For example, let us take sin x function. So, f x is equal to sin x. So, sin x, so when x is equal to 0, sin 0 is equal to 0, when x is equal to pi. So, this is again many one function. Now, but value of sin x lies within closed interval minus 1 to 1. So, there are 2, 3, 5 or root 2 or minus 5, these numbers do not have any pre-image in the domain. So, sine function is also not 1 1 and not onto. Similarly, cos function, tan function, sec function and cosec functions are also not 1 1 and not onto. But these functions can be made 1 1 onto if we restrict domain and codomain. When you will study inverse trigonometric functions, then you will see how the sine inverse exists when we restrict domain and codomain. And the last one, and this fifth one is constant function. What is constant function? What is constant function? That means it is also from R to R. Constant function is also here, the domain is R and codomain is also R. So, f x is equal to c. C is any real number, for example, it is 5. For any value of x, always the elements goes to 5. For negative, for positive, for 0, you take any value. So, this is again a many one function, and there are also negative numbers and positive numbers, but these numbers do not have any pre-image in the domain. So, constant function is again neither 1 1 nor onto. Finally, the last one is identity function. So, this is an important function for when we will discuss function composition and function inverse. This identity function is both 1 1 and onto. So, what is this identity function? In identity function, domain and codomain are same. It may be from R to R, it may be from set of integers to set of integer, it may be from set of positive real number to positive real number, may be from rational number to rational number. So, X is any subset of R. You may take X is any subset of R. So, what is the identity function? 2 goes to 2, root 2 goes to root 2, minus root 2 goes to minus root 2. So, this is identity function is f r to r such that, or in our case it is written x to x, x may be x. So, f x equals to x, this is your constant. So, this is your identity function. This function automatically, this is 1 1 and onto this is a bijective function. So, among these 6 functions, 6 type of functions we have discussed, only identity function is bijective functions, others are 1 to 5 greatest integer function, modulus function, signum function, trigonometry functions, constant functions are neither 1 1 nor onto. These are neither. So, but you can make it bijective by restricting domain and codomain. So, next similarly you can test any function for 1 1 and onto. If it is not 1 1 onto, you can restrict the domain and codomain to make it 1 1 and onto. Next is even and odd functions. You see in the screen, a real function is even if f of minus x is equals to x. That means in place of x, if we put minus x, if it is f of minus x is equal to f x, then it is even, and it is odd if f of minus x is equal to f of x. Now, so there are some examples written: sin x, tan x, cot x, x, x cube are odd functions. How sin x will be odd function? Because if you put sin of minus x, it will be minus sin x. If you put tan of minus x, it will be minus tan x, and if you put cot of minus x, it will be minus cot x. And x cube, minus of x cube is equal to minus x cube. Similarly, cos x, sec x, x square, x4 are also even functions. How? So, now we use blackboard. So, what is even function? F of minus x is equals to f of x, and odd function is f of minus x is equal to minus of f x. Now, this is suppose sin f of x is equal to sin x. So, f of minus x will be sin of minus x, it is minus sin x. Similarly, you can test for others, and suppose cos x, suppose g x is equal to cos x. So, g of minus x is equal to cos of minus x, it is, you know that cos of minus x is equal to cos x. So, these are even functions. So, a function may be even, may be odd, may neither even, may nor odd, or both even and odd. So, there are functions which are, some examples they are given: 1 plus x, suppose f x is equals to 1 plus x. So, f of minus x will be 1 minus x. So, f of minus x neither equal to f x, or and f of minus x neither equal to minus of f x. So, this is an example of neither even nor odd. So, you can test any function as even function and odd functions, and there are some notes also. I had told you that a function can be neither even nor odd, or both even and odd, both even and odd. There is a single function which is both even and odd, that is f x is equal to 0, but any function can be written as, you see the note number 1, any function can be written as sum of even function and sum of odd function. So, the next slide, here there are two examples. Fx is equal to 1 plus x square, that is we will make it, we will write fx as sum of even and odd functions. And in example 2, fx is equal to e to the power x plus sin x, and that can also be expressed as sum of even function and odd function. You see, so what is f of x is 1 plus x square. What is f of minus x? It is, so we use Blackboard for this. So, fx is equals to, so fx is equals to 1 plus x square, f of minus x, f of minus x is equal to 1 minus x plus x square. So, what is hx? F of x plus f of minus x. It is, if you add this, then it will be x cancelled out, it will be 2 1 plus x square. Now, gx fx minus f of minus x, and it will be, and then 1 is cancelled out, x square is cancelled out, it is 2x. Now, we add hx plus gx. What is hx? 2 into 1 plus x square. What is gx? It is 2x. So, 2 into 1 plus x square plus 2x. Now, if you divide by 2, then 2 is cancelled out, it is 1 plus x square plus x, this is nothing but fx. So, any function, and you can test it, hx will be even function and gx will be always odd function. So, any function fx can be written as sum of even function and odd functions. So, what are the next example? It was fx is equals to e to the power x plus sin x, and you see the screen, f of minus x is equals to e to the power minus x minus sin x, and from that we can, you can calculate hx is equal to f of x plus f of minus x, that is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, which is an even function. Again gx also f of x minus f of minus x, that is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus 2 sin x, that is an odd function. You can calculate g of minus x will be the minus of gx, and you can also calculate h of minus x will be hx. So, any function can be written as, any function fx can be written as sum of even function and odd function. That is fx is equal to hx plus gx by 2, where hx is always even. What is hx? Hx is nothing but fx plus f of minus x, gx is nothing but f of x minus f of minus x. So, here, so we have taken two example and we have verified that any function can be written as sum of even function and odd function. Similarly, you can take any example. So, today we discussed function. So, what is the definition of function? A function is a relation in which every element of the domain set is participate in the relation, and there should be a unique relationship. First. Second, there are different types of function, 1 1, onto, many one onto, 1 1 into, and many one into. And we have also discussed bijective function, that is both 1 1 and onto, that is, so and again we have discussed equivalent functions, equivalent sets, and finally we have discussed some examples of bijective function and even and odd functions. In next class we will discuss function composition and inverse of the function. Thank you again.